All right, so for question number three, I wrote each loop and what it controls in front of me so that I can actually follow up and don't forget any of its functions and what it controls. So each specific loop in our brain controls a specific function and controls a specific thing. So if only a specific portion of our brain was damaged, then whatever it controls, that's what's going to be affected, and that's why when we have a loop stroke in the frontal lobe, that would only affect personality changes, because that's the function that it controls. So we have the frontal lobe. First of all, let's start with the frontal lobe. The frontal lobe controls the motor control, problem solving, speech production. That's what it does. And then we have the parietal lobe, which is kind of right behind the frontal lobe. It does touch, sensation, body orientation, sensory discrimination, and all that. And then we have the occipital lobe. It's like in the back of our brain. This controls sights, visual. This basically controls sights and visual. And then we have the cerebellum. It's on the bottom. It balances and coordinations. And then we also have the brainstem. It's like right under the cerebellum. It controls involuntary responses. And then we have the temporal lobe, which is kind of over here. The temporal lobe, auditory processing, language, and memory, and all that. So if any damage was to happen to a specific area, a specific loop in the brain, it would only cause damage in that area, and it would only affect that area. Thank you.